Kingfisher is a common bird belonging to the family of Alcedinidae. It is a small to medium-sized bird and is found almost everywhere in all over the world. There are about 90 species of kingfishers with different colors. Kingfisher mostly lives in rivers, lakes, ponds and streams. Kingfisher has a long beak, short tail and small legs. The color of common kingfisher are orange and bright blue. Mostly feathers of common kingfishers are blue in color. Feathers of other 90 species of kingfishers are with different colors. The weight of a common kingfisher are similar in size of a sparrow bird. The weight of a common kingfisher is 30 to 40 grams. Kingfisher flies very low at a speed of 40 km per hour. Kingfisher makes a sound of dry ticking call. Observe and listen the sound of kingfisher. Kingfisher mostly eats fish. Kingfisher are good in catching fish on water. Other kinds of food items of kingfisher are frogs, snakes, small insects, rodents and small birds. Observe how kingfisher catches fish very quickly on water.